The knife grinder. Friend of humanity. Needy knife grinder, whither are you going? Rough is the road, your wheel is out of order. Bleak blows the blast, your hat has got a hole in't. So have your breeches. Weary knife grinder, little think the proud ones, who in their coaches roll along the turnpike road. What hard work 'tis, crying all day, knives and scissors to grind o. Tell me, knife grinder, how you came to grind knives. Did some rich man tyrannically use you? Was it the squire, or parson of the parish, or the attorney? Was it the squire for killing his game, or covetous parson for his tithes distraining? Or roguish lawyer made you lose your little all in a lawsuit? Have you not read The Rights of Man by Tom Paine? Drops of compassion tremble on my eyelids, ready to fall as soon as you have told your pitiful story. Knife grinder. Story? God bless you, I have none to tell, sir. Only last night, a drinking at the Chequers, this poor old hat and breeches, as soon you see, were torn in a scuffle. Constables came up for to take me into custody. They took me before the justice. Justice Oldmixon put me in the parish stocks for a vagrant. I should be glad to drink your honour's health in a pot of beer, if you will give me sixpence. But for my part, I never love to meddle with politics, sir. Friend of humanity. I give thee sixpence. I will see thee damned first, wretch, whom no sense of wrongs can rouse to vengeance. Sordid, unfeeling, reprobate, degraded, spiritless outcast. Kicks the knife grinder, overturns his wheel, and exit in a transport of republican enthusiasm and universal philanthropy.